Hey, it's Charlie Ray. Today we are making some hair ties. You can do any color you want, but today we're making the blue one. So you're gonna need a 4.5 millimeter hook, some sport weight yarn in the color of your choosing, a pair of scissors, and you'll also need a ruler if you want to make multiples of the same length. So you're going to start your chain the normal way, and you are going to need 100 chains if you want to do them the same length that I'm showing you here. Of course, you can always make them longer or shorter if you would like. Once you have your chain, you are going to single crochet into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. And also go into the bottom loop instead of the top loop. Next, you're going to double crochet in the next chain. And we're continuing in the bottom loops all the way across. Single crochet. And you are going to continue alternating all the way down the chain. When you get to the end, you are going to turn your work and go back the other way. So in this case, we are ending with a double crochet. We are not chaining one, we're just going to turn. And you're going to double crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then you will single crochet, double crochet across like you did on the previous row. So we are going to double crochet on top of the single crochet, not the double crochet that we ended with. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll see you guys at the end of this. Okay, so once we get to the other side, we are going to, again, turn our work without chaining one. And we're going into the third chain from the hook. And we are going to do a single crochet because we have a double crochet underneath that chain. This helps give it the slanted kind of pointy shape on the ends. And then you're just going to go all the way back across, alternating single and double crochet once again. Okay, so the blue one has 3 rows. The yellow one has 4 rows. You can make it the width you like by continuing the same pattern. If you only want the 3 rows, you can just bind off and weave in your ends. So I ended up doing one more row, but let me show you guys how I finish up the end on this. So when you get to where you want to bind off, just slip stitch in the last one and go ahead and cut that off. And then you're going to weave in the end, but you're going to do it by running your crochet needle through all the way through the bottom loops. I'm sorry, I missed some of this footage, as you guys can see, but you're just going to go through just one loop, not both loops. And then you're going to pull it through and pull your end through. And then just kind of stretch your yarn out. And it should be weaved in pretty well using this method. I like to use it a lot whenever I'm weaving in ends that are on the edge of my crochet. And then guess what, guys? We're all done. This is a great last minute gift for the holidays or birthdays or back to school. You can make them in a bunch of colors and it's so fun and so quick. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more, please like, subscribe, or comment below. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.